In this tutorial, we will be learning about a Kali Linux tool fping. It is a command line tool to send ICMP echo request to networks. It is very similar to ping command, but instead it is much higher performing when we ping multiple hosts. This means that we can, in the ping commands, we can ping only a single host at a time. But if we by using fping, we can ping the many number of hosts at the same time. We can also use the file list to ping those hosts. So let's see its uses. You will find this tool in information gathering, live host identification, and second tool is fping. So this is its help menu. So these are the probing options. We can use only IPv4 address to ping or IPv6 address to ping, and there are all more options available. And -a is to show targets that are alive, and there are also various options. So let's try some options. Suppose we want to ping a single IP address, so we just click 10.0.2.1. So it is similar to ping. It will be very similar to ping. So suppose we want to ping more IP address at the same time, then we can just type the IP address that we want to ping, 2.3, and similarly you will enter all the IP addresses, 10.0.2.34, and it will show you the list of all the errors. So it also shows that if the host is alive or not. So it says that 1, 3 and 15 are alive, and 34 is on reachable, means it's not connected. So we can also use multiple IPs at the same time. Suppose we want to scan all the IPs from 1 to 20. So in this case we will be just typing -g. You can look at the command line what the -g means. Generate target list. So in this we will type 10.0.2. From 1, and we want to ping till 10.0.2.16. So it will ping all the IPs from 1 to 16, means 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 until 2.16. So we press enter and see what's happened. So it has now shown that these 4 IPs are alive and these IPs are unreachable. So we can also use -s for cumulative result. It will show you all the result at the end, that what it has found. So it has targeted for 16. It has scanned 16 targets, out of which 4 are alive, 12 are unreachable, 12 timeouts, 52 ICMP echo requests were sent, 4 IC echo replies were received, 48 other ICMP were also received, and all other information will also be available. So now let's check some more commands. So we can also use the netmask to scan the IPs. For that we will be using -g, and we will just type here /24. So it will be the net mask. It will scan all the IPs from 1 to 255, and if you put the option -r and then 1, then it will repeat only once. So let's see what happens. So you can see that it is scanning all the IPs up to 255. So it has scanned all the IPs. We can also use text file to scan the IPs. For that, let's first create a text file. Let's clear this. Let's create a text file, cat ipad.txt, and let's enter some IPs: 10.0.2.1, 10.0.2.3, 10.0.2.15, 10.0.2.16, 10.0.2.34, and let's save it. Now we just use the command fping greater than symbol, and then we will type the name of the file, that is ipad.txt. It will now ping all the IPs that we have entered in this text. So let's see, and we can see that 3 hosts were found alive and 1 was unreachable. So in this way we can use fping to ping many number of IPs at the same time. So thank you. In the next tutorial we will be learning about the next Kali Linux tool, and that will be hping 3. Till then, thank you.